Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will learn social study class 4 lesson number 2, our country India. Okay. So student, let's start this lesson number 2, our country India. Our country, India, is vast, old and diverse. It is unique and has its own place in the world. Over the years, people of different race and faith have made India their home. This is reflected in its diversity of language, culture and religion today. Today, India is the second most popular country in the world with over 12 billion people. So student, India, which is located in the southern part of Asia, in this world, it's a seventh largest countries. Today we are take our viewers to its beautiful countries. India is country of diverse land from. There are mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, coast plains and islands. The world famous snow mountain of Himalaya are located from the north, and we are also known as the northern mountains of India. The northern plains are very fertile and are watered by the rivers that flow down the mountains. In the west line is the famous Great Indian Desert, hot and dry region. The Deccan Plateaus is located in the southern part of the country. The coastal plains of India surround the Deccan Plate and both eastern and western side. Okay. Three water bodies, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal, also surrounding the Deccan Plateau, east, west and south respectively. The Andaman and Nicobar group of island is the Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep group of island is the Arabian Sea, are also part of India. So student, do you know what is location of India? The world's landmass is divided into 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. India is in the continent of Asia. It is the world's 7th largest country. It has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. The land that makes up India consists of the mainland and many islands. The mainland of India is a large peninsula bounded by sea on the 3 sides. To the west lie the Arabian Sea, and the east and to the east the Bay of Bengal. To the south is the Indian Ocean. High mountains in the north separate it from the rest of Asia. India has a long coastline of about 7,500 kilometers, including Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep, and a land frontier of 15,200 kilometers. Okay, now we see what is neighbors of India. Neighbors country of India. China, Nepal and Bhutan are our neighbors to the north, to the west and northwest are Pakistan and Afghanistan. To the east are Bangladesh and Myanmar. To south, in the Indian Ocean lies the island country Sri Lanka. Okay. The people belonging to different ethnic groups speaking different languages reside in different part of India. India is a democratic country. Political division. India, with its capital at New Delhi, is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories for the administrative purpose. The states have been created mainly on the basis of language. So student, now we learn state and union territories of India with their capitals. States capitals. Andhra Pradesh capital Hyderabad, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar, Assam Dispur, Bihar Patna, Chhattisgarh Raipur, Goa Panaji, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Haryana Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh Shimla, Jharkhand Ranchi, Karnataka Bengaluru, Kerala Trivandrum, Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, Maharashtra Mumbai, Manipur Imphal, Meghalaya Shillong, Mizoram Aizawl, Nagaland Kohima, Odisha Bhubaneswar, Punjab Chandigarh, Rajasthan Jaipur, Sikkim Gangtok, Tamil Nadu Chennai, Telangana Hyderabad, Tripura Agartala, Uttarakhand Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, West Bengal Kolkata. Now we see union territories and their capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman and city of Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu winter, Srinagar summer, Ladakh, Leh, Lakshadweep, Kavarati, Pondicherry. Okay. Now we see physical division. India is divided into 6 physical regions, also called geographical region, on the basis of characteristics of landforms. There are the northern mountain, the northern plain, the Thor of or Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, the island. So student, that is all about today. Now you are revise this lesson and read this lesson. Okay, bye bye.